Yo, good day everyone. Ako po si Skyripa and welcome to another video dito sa Man Cannot Ride. That is Octavia at yan yung kanyang mga tropa. So, na-realize ko nung meron akong nakausap na isang rider. Sabi ko, ang usapan namin yung tungkol sa proper riding skills. Sabi ko, ba't hindi mo sinubukang mag-enroll or mag-aral talaga ng proper riding skills? Ang sabi niya, hindi naman kailangan yun eh. Tapos sabi pa niya, ang bottom line dyan, basta wala akong nasasagasaan at hindi ako napapahamak, wala akong naaberya sa daan. Tama nga naman. Oh, mapapalo ko siya ng tsinelas ng swelas ng aking riding boots. Hindi, tama naman. That's true. Bottom line sa street riding is safety. The priority is safety. The priority is safety. The bottom line is safety. And everything is all about safety. So tama ang sinabi niya, as long as wala siyang nasasagasaan, as long as wala siyang nababangga, wala siyang nasasaktan or walang nasasaktan dahil sa kanya, as long as walang nangyayari sa kanya, as long as walang nilalabag na batas, then fine, di ba? We can ride and it doesn't matter kung marunong tayo ng proper riding skills o kung ano man. But the question is, how do we know we have proper riding skills kung we don't have the knowledge of proper riding skills? Okay, so minsan may mga bagay na sobrang liit, sobrang baliwala lang para sa karamihan, pero it matters. And yun ang i-share ko ngayon sa inyo sa video na to. Ito yung swelas ng aking TCX. Yan. TCX riding boots. Talagang wala na siyang pag-asa. Ilang sapatero na at ilang Mr. Quickie na ang tumanggi na ayusin to. So, I need new boots. But anyway, gamitin natin to. So, ano ba yung kahalagahan ng swelas na to? Okay, in terms of proper riding skills. This is our foot peg. Ayan. Okay, and we normally ride like this. Ayan. So ito yung foot peg, tapos nakaabang yung ating paa dun sa rear brake, and this is fine, this is good. This type of foot placement is good for comfort, it's good for slow speed maneuvers, it's good for stability. Okay, paliwanag lang muna natin. Comfort, kasi kapag nakaganito yung paa mo, yung angulo ng paa mo hindi masyadong steep o hindi masyadong bakilo o baliko, so relax na relax yung paa mo dito. Okay, so again, the foot peg is in the arch of the foot. Okay, ano yung binabanggit ko? Itong parte na to, this is the ball of your foot. So ito yung toes, tapos ito yung ball of your foot, tapos itong gitna, this is the arch of the foot, and ito yung heel, yung sako. Okay? Now, if we are riding on the arch of our foot, this is very comfortable. Okay? Tapos, maganda siya for slow speed maneuvers. Bakit? Kasi naka-cover na tayo sa rear brakes. Yan. Now, napakahalaga ng rear brakes sa slow speed maneuvers kasi ang rear brakes ay nagbibigay ng stability sa slow speed maneuvers. So yung pangatlo, yun yung stability. And even sa slow speed or medium speed cornering, napakaganda ng posisyon na to kasi you can use the rear brake for stability sa corners, lalong-lalo na sa turn in and mid corner. Okay, yun nga lang, ang nasabi ko sa inyo is slow speed saka medium speed. Pero kapag tayo ay nasa high speed cornering na or medyo maliksi-liksi tayo sa cornering, we need control, we need stability. Okay, and we can have that if we ride on the ball of our feet or ball of our foot. Foot muna kasi isa. Okay, so if we're riding on the ball of our foot, yan. So hindi na tayo nakaabang sa rear brakes, but that's okay. This is good for control. Yan, ball of our foot. Okay. Yan. Yeah. Sala-sala. Okay. Riding on the ball of our foot. Okay, ito yung foot peg, ball of our foot. Now, this is good for control sa cornering. Kasi you can put your weight and pressure on the foot peg. And maniwala man kayo sa hindi, this is for another video, but the foot peg, you can use this for steering. O, sa ibang video natin pag-usapan yun. Okay, so when you have this, yung angulo ng paa nyo is medyo baliko ng konti, but that's okay because now you have control, because you can modulate the pressure on the foot peg to help steer the bike. Again, that's for another video. Again, this is ang alon lang natin dito is this is good for control. Now, if you do need to use the brakes, you just have to slide your foot forward, use the brakes, then go back to the ball of your foot to have better control sa medium to fast pace cornering. Okay, but ito for street riding, pwede ko rin gamitin to. For street riding if I want more control. Then mag-i-slide na lang ako sa rear brake kung kinakailangan kong mamreno. So yung paa ko is very dynamic. Ang movement niya, ibig sabihin pabago-bago. Okay? Ball of my feet, brakes, ball of your foot, brakes, ball of the foot, brakes. Okay, control, stability. Ganun yun. So ang isang benefit nun is na-exercise yung paa ko sa street riding. Now, sa cornering naman, pwede rin namang I'm riding on the arch of my foot. Okay lang yun. For cornering, kahit nasabihin natin medyo mabilis-bilis, basta ang mahalaga, hindi ako magpapanik na matatapakan ko bigla-bigla ang rear brakes. Kasi baka mag-cause yun ng spin sa likurang gulong. And that's not good for cornering. So, dito, I get comfort while cornering, and I also have the benefit of faster reaction time if I need to use the rear brakes. Pero again, for faster cornering, it's better that you use the front brakes for fast reaction time ng braking. Again, that's another video. Actually, may mga videos na ako nagawa tungkol sa mga topics na yan. But we will make some more videos about them. Now, the last thing is the heel of your foot. If you are riding on the heel of your foot, yan. If you are riding on the heel of your foot, yan, ganito ang foot placement mo, yan. Yan, ganyan. Riding on the heel of your foot, yun ang mangyayari sa'yo. Malalaglag ka sa kawalan. Kasi if you're riding on the ball of your if you're riding on the heel of your foot, pwede bang makisama ka? Matatapos na yung vlog, okay? Ganito na lang, okay? Riding on the ball of your foot means control and stability, especially for fast-paced cornering. Riding on the arch of your foot means comfort, stability for slow speed maneuvers, and of course a little bit of better control for slow speed maneuvers, slow to medium pace riding, even for cornering. Riding on the heel of your foot is stupid. Kamote to. Okay? So wag niyo itong gagawin. Do not ride on the heel of your foot. Hindi ko alam kung para saan. Sinubukan ko to. Muntik na akong matay sa pagra-ride. Dahil wala siyang comfort, believe it or not. Wala siyang control. Wala siyang stability. Hindi ko alam kung bakit may nagra-ride na nakaganito. Ang masama pa, may nagra-ride ng ganito na naka-duck feet. Ang duck feet ay ganito. Huwag ka namang umalis. Ayan. May mga nagra-ride ng nasa heel of your foot, tapos nakalawit ang paa, at siya ay nakabuka. Ayan, ganyan. May nagra-ride ng ganyan, parang tanga. Alright, so don't do this. Okay, so that's it. See you on another video dito sa American Ride.